guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another Love Me Hair wig install. You guys know I love me some Love Me Hair. If you don't know about Love Me Hair, they produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and they are at a really good price. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful black and brown loose wave wig. Now this wig does have a 5x5 lace closure. It is 100% glueless, and you guys, this lace is super thin and super undetectable. A couple of main things I love about this unit is the fact that it's glueless, of course. I love the black and brown color, the contrast. I love how it plays out well together. And also I am really a big fan of this lace. This lace was super thin. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this wig install. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this unboxing. So this is Love Me Hair's trendy brown with black peekaboo loose wave glueless 5x5 closure lace wig, and I have this wig in 18 inches and she is in 150% density. Now take a look at that lace, you guys. That lace is super thin, just like I mentioned earlier. And then of course you have the combs inside of the wig as well as the adjustable strap also. Now one good thing about this wig, you guys, is that it can be a side part, a middle part, and a C part. Now I left it as a kind of like a side part, C part just for today's wig install, but you guys will see that there is plenty of room on this lace. So if you want to switch it up, you can, because remember, switching it up is everything. You guys know that is Love Me Hair's slogan, and I love the fact that they actually use that as their slogan because I abide by that, okay? I love me some glueless everyday wigs that I can put on and take off whenever I want to. So as you guys saw, all I did was just add some makeup on that lace to make sure she is blended in with my natural skin tone, and I adjusted the adjustable strap and just threw this baby on. Now me personally, I do like to use the combs on each side of the wig unit because being that I'm using no spray and no glue, I feel like that is really one way that you can get that lace to lay extremely flat, alright? So now I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb because I just want to get all of this unnecessary hair out of my face before I cut off all that additional lace. And then once I do that, I will be adding just a little bit more foundation wherever the lace is still showing. Alright, lace is looking pretty good. Now one thing that I forgot to mention to you guys is that whenever you are cutting the lace, cut right before the hairline. That way you still have a little bit more lace to lay down if you decide to use product, but you don't want to cut right on the hairline because then it will look a little too wiggish. So just a little piece of advice there. So now I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb because you guys know I live and I abide by the fact that the top of your wig needs to lay as flat as possible. You do not want your wig to look like you have a helmet on your head. So we are making sure she is laying down as flat as possible and she is nice and sleek. Okay, so I added some makeup to that part and she is looking very natural. I'm satisfied. So now we are going to go on with the rest of the styling portion. So I ran my fingers through the curls because as you guys saw, the wig does come curled for you. You can leave it like this if you choose, but I am very picky with how curls look on me. So when I did it, this is how it came out. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I did the other side. Number one, I am very picky as far as how my curls look, as I mentioned earlier, but I am also very picky as far as how neat your wig looks. I do not like flyaways. I don't like hair just sticking up all over the place. So I am using my wax stick and my hairspray to really just lay any of those unnecessary hairs down. That way I can go ahead and just use my wand curler and recurl the curls how I would prefer them. So this is completely up to you. I'm just really picky with how curls look on me, especially because this wig is 18 inches. So I just wanted her to look a little bit more leveled out, if you would say, like a little bit more elongated. But yeah, that's all I pretty much did. Okay, you guys, and we are basically done. Now, as you guys can see, I'm going over my wax stick one more time just to really lay down any of those flyaways. But this is how the curls came out, and I gently ran my fingers through it. I did not want to do too much. If you have a Demon brush, which is a styling brush, you can use that as well. But I definitely do not recommend going crazy if you want your curls to look super neat, just like how I did them, all right? But the quality of this hair was amazing. I was extremely satisfied. I didn't have any additional tangling or shedding or anything like that, and I'm going to show you guys that she is still completely glueless, no spray, no glue whatsoever. So this lace, y'all, this lace definitely came through for me. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's wig install. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know if you like this unit. Also, make sure you guys check out my description box because I will have the direct link to this wig in the description box down below, as well as all the details, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Shout out to Luvme Hair, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.